Hello, welcome to SIS online classes. Myself Kader Khan. Today I will teach you class 4th science reproduction in animals. Subtopic is animals that lay eggs. Animals that lay eggs. Animals that lay eggs. Okay. Previous video I discussed animals that young ones, but today I will discuss about animals that lay eggs. Whenever some birds, reptiles, insects, fish, snakes lay eggs, and after few days baby comes out by hatching out or by hatch out. So birds like insects, reptiles, fishes, snakes, etc. So those animals lay egg and baby comes out by hatching out, by hatch. So first I will discuss about birds. First I will discuss about how to produce or how to hatch out a baby once. Birds lay eggs in nest. Birds lay eggs in the nest, and the nest is the safe place of birds' eggs. And whenever the female birds sit on the eggs and eating, this called covation. Whenever heat and fulfill grown the baby in eggs, then comes out from the eggs is called hatching. First of one in covation, that means heating eggs and hatching means heating eggs comes out from eggs baby. The process is called hatching. Whenever baby comes out from eggs, then take care of mothers until you will themselves to do yourself. Whenever or until you to do yourself, then the birds are take care of your babies or chicks. Is that clear? But I have to go structure of bird's egg. Now structure of bird's egg. Structure of bird's egg. We have seen everybody. We have seen our eggs, but cannot be defined or cannot seen in entrance of the eggs. Enter of the egg. So let's see the structure of eggs. Now like this is egg, this is a egg, like this is the egg, and egg is this portion is egg cell, is called egg cell. This portion is called, or the white portion of an egg is called white cell. White cell. Is that clear? And here white yellow portion center of the egg, yellow portion center of the egg is called yolk. Is called yolk. Is called yolk. The baby or chicks under fulfilled in yolk is also called embryo. Is also called embryo, and the yolk all over the yolk is called white portion. White portion. White portion, surface of the white portion, then yolk is called albumen. Is called albumen. Is called albumen. Is called albumen. And the next, the last of the egg is called air sac. Is called air sac. Is called their air sac. Air sac is its help us to breed the embryo or the baby chicks. Breed the baby embryo or baby chicks. Embryo or baby chicks. So first of all, the outermost part of white is called egg cell, and center of the yellow portion is called yolk, and covered of all over eggs, and on the yolk this called albumen, and the last point of egg is a air sac. It helps us breed embryo or baby chicks. Is that clear? I hope you will understood structure of bird's egg. Now I have to go discuss about fish. Discuss about fishes that lay eggs and hatch out from. So fishes, we are known to all fishes lives in the water, lives on the water, and fishes lives on the water and lay eggs on water, lay eggs in water. At many or few or many eggs lay at a time, but the fishes eggs do not hard but jelly types, few fishes eggs hatch out and comes a baby or small fishes. But why? Because of the many or most of the portion of fishes eggs eaten up by other animals like insects, big fishes, etc. And few eggs hatch out and comes a small fish. And special features it has jelly type fish legs, fish eggs have jelly type to move here and there. Is that clear? Now next one is reptiles. Next one is reptiles. Next one is reptiles. Reptiles: snakes, turtle, lizards, crocodile. Snakes, crocodile, lizard, etc. are called reptiles. Also, reptiles lay eggs on the soil or on the soil. Also, fishes, they have many eggs laid at a time, but few of eggs hatch out and grown a chick or chicks. Why? Because of they have or fish eaten up by other animals or some insects and so on. And also reptiles take care of your child until you to do something. Is that clear? Next one is frog. We are known to all frogs are amphibians. Whenever frogs lives on the land, but whenever time is coming to lay eggs, then go to water where frogs lay eggs at a time, many eggs. And these or frogs eggs have also jelly type, not a hard shell, jelly type. So move here and there. Frogs have also then frogs here and there and carry out or hatching from chicks. Hatch out and from chicks. But most of few eggs hatch out, but because of eggs are eaten up by other animals or insects. But frogs is a special features. Frogs have special features to hatch out. First of one, a special feature that is life cycle. First of one, frog lay eggs, and then frog lay eggs, then convert into tadpole. Convert into tadpole. After a days, tadpole hind limbs. Tadpoles means a insecticide, like insect. Tadpoles, after few days, tadpole with hind limbs. Then after few days, tadpole with hind and forelimbs. Hind limbs and forelimbs. Is that clear? Hind limbs and forelimbs. Then it converts into baby frog. And comes after a adult frog and come out from water and live on land. Is that clear? Listen, frogs lay eggs, hatch out tadpole. After few days, tadpole convert into tadpole with hind limbs, and again few days, after few days, tadpole with hind limbs convert into both limbs with hind limbs and forelimbs, and also few days, tadpole convert into baby frogs, and baby frogs convert into adult frogs, and adult frogs come out from water and live on land. This was the life cycle of a frog. Is that clear? And next one is insect. But I will discuss about insects, and some insects have life cycle in next video. I hope you will understood animals that lay eggs. First of one, birds, structure of birds' eggs, fishes, reptiles, frogs. If any doubt, please comment section. Please comment your comment section. Please like, share this video with your friends. If you still not subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more new notification. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice day.